Hello, good day guys. In this video I will be teaching you how to download CodeBlock and how to download and install it so that you can use it for your PhD training. You can just use it for at least for personal learning and all that. So that's exactly what I do. So it helped me a lot to do some of the tasks. Why I do not have tasks, or maybe during the PLD I just use it to learn. So to download CodeBlocks and install it, set it up for your learning. So let's just go to Google. Let's open Google. Then from Google you can just type on CodeBlock. So actually install it before, and it was very helpful. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I uninstalled it, and I want to guide you through on how you can install it and use it to learn. It's very helpful. So you see that on this list there are several links that brought CodeBlock out. So what you just do, come to SearchForge. SearchForge is where I downloaded it for, and it's very easy because it comes with the GCC compiler that is needed, that is used on our platform. So and GCC is one of the best compiler for C. So here, this is where you can get the download. So just click on this download. By the time you click on this, it will be downloaded to your system. So once it's downloaded to your system, you can go ahead and follow the next process to install and set it up. So I already downloaded it, so I'll just slide to my downloads and I'll go over there and install it. So here you see it's CodeBlock. Great, this is it. So I'll just click on CodeBlock to install and set it up. CodeBlock is coming up. Here you are. So it's a very simple step. It's only that after the installation, you need to know what exactly you need to do there. So you just click on I agree. Then you have to see all the feature that is coming with all the plugins that are attached with it. So this is one of the most crucial plugin. This MinGW compiler. So it's very important. So that is one of the reasons. That is where you have your GCC compiler. So just go ahead and install. So if you have any reason to change this, you can go ahead and change, but I don't think you need to change it. Just click install straight. Then CodeBlock will start installing for you. So this will take a while. So let's just wait while CodeBlock install. Let's just go ahead and pause the video so that it will not be too long. So why? Okay guys, CodeBlock is successfully installed. It's asking the question to say, do you want to run CodeBlock now? Yes. So let's run it and see the other process steps needed to launch. So the application is launching. Great, the application is up. So that's it. It's finally up. So how do you start a new project? You can just, to start a new project, you come to is actually a graphical user interface system, so that you can use to code and run your program. So while you also use your command line, like the terminal. So this one just have click buttons that you can click in order to both compile and run your program while you learn both sides. So this just gives you a very easy platforms, an IDE user interface, so for you to run a program. So how do you run a program then? So just come to new, then from new you come to projects. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. New, from new you come to projects, click on project, and they will bring you this small window. From this window, what do you pick here in order to run your program? You see that CodeBlock has several other applications that can be run here. See, so for this particular, for the purpose of this video, we'll just use console application. So you click on console application, then you click on go, then it comes in, you say next, then pick your C. There's an option between C and C++, but you pick C, then you go to, then you name your project. So what do you want to do? Let me just say this, find I just do a little program to find the data type or data size, data size of data size of each type. Okay, let's just say data size. So I actually want to find the types, the size of each of the types in my system, in my machine. So when you are here, you probably didn't see anything, so just come to source, click on A, and double click on me. So here we have, this is your first program, Hello World. So by the time you click on, look at build, this build is to compile, to build it. It's compiling the program. Then when it's green back, you can now see run. You'll run. There you are. Hello World. That's the Hello World program. So here, what we'll do here, let's just add more program. Let me just change this. All the data types. Size, sorry, let me see size of my system. Data type. Okay, so let's just say, like my 64 bits and system is, let me just find the sizes, each of the data type sizes. I'll say print F, print F. Oh, what's going on? Okay, print F, the size of integer is, so the format for looking for data type, use your unsigned long LU, modulus LU, that's unsigned long, because your data type, it doesn't have to be, it has to be unsigned, is bytes, then size of for. So let's just copy this and repeat it several times. Okay, yeah, let's change this to, let's just change this to car. Then you come here, change the size of car. Then colon, semicolon, sorry. Then the next one will say, what do we do here? Let's say long int. They will come here and say long integer. Okay. The next one will do let's say long integer. Size of long integer. Here we say long integer. So next one I'll say float. Great. So this is going to print all the sizes of my data types, these types in my system. So I say, okay, size of my, let me say my 64 bit system data type. Here, these, say these sizes of my 64-bit system data types. So you have the size of integer is, so this is just the formatting. So this is where it's going to print the size. So if it's 4 bytes, we say 4 bytes. So these are going to print, it's going to print integer, character, long integer, long integer, float. All the data types of my system, they are going to be printed out with this code. So let's you click on this to build it and probably to compile it. This is the compilation. When the compilation is done, it becomes green, then you run it with this. Great. So, oh, he put everything on a single line. Okay, let me format them rightly. Let me add a new line, NL. Sorry for that. Oh. So let me put everything on the new line with the new line. So with this, it's going to put everything on a new line. Okay. So let me recompile. Great. That's it. So now, here, that is the size of my 64-bit system data type. The size of integer is 4 bits. Oh, my formatting is not. So here I'm supposed to put my new line. 4 bits. The size of car is 1 byte. So the formatting is not right. Sorry. I'm supposed to put my, sorry about that, I'm supposed to put my backward slash n. It's supposed to come here. My backward slash supposed to be at this place. After the byte. Okay, with this, it will, I think it will print them rightly now. So that's where my backward slash is supposed to be. So let me recompile it and let me run it. Great, that's it. The size of integer is 4 bytes. The size of char is 1 byte. The size of long integer is 4 bytes. The size of long integer is 8 bytes. The size of float is 4 bytes. So these are the sizes of my system. So these are, you know, the sizes of the data types of your system. So when you are declaring a variable, you will know that when you declare a variable integer, the size of memory that will be assigned to that variable is going to be 4 bytes since it's integer. So if you declare a variable char, the size of memory that will be assigned to it will be 1 byte. So if you declare integer long, 4 bytes. If you declare long integer, 8 bytes. So these are just to know how. So thank you very much, guys. This is just it, how to install code block and probably run program. So with this, you can code any program that you want to code with just this knowledge. So if you learn anything from this video, just go ahead and subscribe. You get more tips, get more video on C, as regarding C, some of the things that you need that will be helpful to you in C programming. So these are just how to install your code block. Have a good day.